Terry, it blooming stopped, didn't it? Here we go again. Going for a walk in the dark. You see my shadow? Your dad don't stand on me. Ouch, he stood on my head. I think Rocky needs a drink of water or a cup of tea. What do you reckon?
Pint of beer would be nice.
You should be so lucky. No. Rocky's got a cock-a-leaky soup.
Cock-a-leaky soup.
Some cock-a-leaky soup, Rocky.
This is what I do every morning, every night.
I think we're going to have to go for a longer walk.
I think we need a bit of weight.
I think your dad needs a rest. Rocky's like, where are we going? What can you sniff, Rocky? Hey, Jock? Cat?
Not a cat down there somewhere. Always stop here and have a bit of a rest.
What video are you doing tomorrow?
I don't know yet.
Right. Something crazy.
Something intellectual.
Oh, I thought that what moon it's not, it's a blooming light.
I'll do something
Dark
intellectual
down there,
tomorrow.
look. Oh, it don't look too dark on my phone, does it? Looks like daylight out here. Doesn't it? What do you reckon, Rox?
Right. Come on then.
Off we trot again.
When he's walking, you can tell when he's getting ready for a poo.
Why, what does
Starts
it?
arching his back when he's walking.
Okay. Can you put this in your pocket? I thought I might need the torch, but I didn't. You see Rocky thinks he's a racehorse or something.
He's already peed twice tonight.
He likes that spot, doesn't he?
Yeah. Backside, like the large.
I don't think we want to watch the dog do a poo though, do you? Hey?
No. Educational.
How the dog does a poo. Oh, look at that beautiful sky over there. You know what that means, don't you?
Red sky at night, Shepherd's Delight, nice day tomorrow.
Oh, I thought it was Angel Delight. Yummy. Here he is, little monkey. That cow were a bit close. Wasn't it? Yeah, that made a noise then. And off the trot. Trot, trot.
Trot. The full trot is more.
Another peeroo.
I don't know where he stores it all, mate.
I think Rocky's been having a pint or something.
It's different photo.
This is how not to walk your dog. Isn't it, Rox? How not to walk your dog. Bless me.
The filming going upstairs with leaving his dog.
Look how lovely that sky is. It doesn't look as nice on this video as it is over there. Looks really bright outside, but it's not. There's our car, look. There's our car.
Going back
Ow. There's all sorts flying around here. Shall we went back garden? Let's have a look. Rocky likes to walk in back garden too. Without General. Rocky, come on.
Don't know what he's sniffing. Go on.
Probably smell himself. Oh, it's dark down General, look. Ooh. Spooky. Spooky, spooky.
Another way.
Piddly pot. Ooh, lights come on.
Right.
Lights come on at shed, look.
Yeah. Have a sit down now.
Yeah, lots of people talking up backs. It's like Rocky cocked his leg up on your leg then.
Yeah, we got a boot if he did.
Oh, you won't
Where's he
really.
gone?
He's having a drink of water under the chair. Where's that?
Where's that what?
Oh, dark on here. It's dark, I need to put a light on. There we go, there's your dad. I have to put my light on.
Did you see me? Did you see me, mother?
Someone's tickling my arm. I've got hair on my arm or something. Look, Rocky. He wants to play now. It's like, come on, it's time to go in. Cutie, aren't you?
Come on then, let's take you in. Now you've had another
Sniff or two.
year and a half. Come on.
That's the light come on. Again. Ooh, spooky, spooky. We're in the channel. Ooh. How blue that sky looks. It's not that blue, it's black. In we go.
Are you watching this? Well then, here we go. Bit lead in his mouth.
Pick your lead up, Rox. Pick your lead up. Yeah. Ah, tiger. Has he got it? He's got it in his mouth, look. Yeah, he's gone for a drink. You got your lead? On the bed. Up. Now he'll eat his own biscuits. A nice roux. So that's our nightly routine. Rocky's been for his walk. He's had about 10 peas. Now he's a nappy bunny eating his dinner. Hey, Roo. And there's your dad's back.
Oh yeah.
And I've got my torch on. Got all our rubbish outside.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ready to take your lead off.
Take his lead off.
And that's it.
And that's Rocky's having his supper.
Walking the
Dad.
dog's done.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. Stopping it.